One could see AI as a little baby that is slowly growing up, trying to make associations and learning by observing its environment.
How can AI be made fair, transparent and just so that it can serve society in a responsible way? Panagiotis Papapetrou with his team is examining these questions in a new research project.
The way we can make AI systems fair is by giving them a set of rules and a set of constraints that map or reflect what fairness means in the current system or the current society. So the idea is that we want to demonstrate how AI-protected tools can differ from those that are not protected. And if we can demonstrate that to domain experts, for example in healthcare and in education, then the next step is to convince them that they should adopt them.
Since AI builds its knowledge on historical data that contains lots of social biases and inequities, these are likely to be maintained and even reinforced.
Anything that is generated by AI when it's self-learning will contain biases, and the biases will even escalate. It could take AI seconds to create another billion of texts that incorporate the biases that already existed. So let's say when I want to hire a new employee in my organization, I should make sure that I don't discriminate against gender. If there have been previous cases where a majority of hired employees belong to a particular gender, then AI will tend to learn this bias because it will consider it as a type of hiring criteria, and it will integrate it to its hiring process.
AI-based grading might unfairly disadvantage certain student groups, and healthcare algorithms could overlook needs in marginalized communities.
Typically, all these deep learning algorithms, you can think of them as a human brain. They're neurons, they're connected, fully connected or partly connected with each other. So it is really impossible to understand how exactly they work and what exactly they learn. Given an input, they can produce the correct output. Given a patient configuration in the hospital, they can tell whether that patient should take treatment A or treatment B. But we don't really understand, or we cannot really see inside how they take that decision. We cannot understand their logic.
To address these issues, Pano's team is developing methods that helps us understand the roots of bias in AI.
The way we want to approach and solve this problem is by first making AI transparent. We want them to reveal to us what rules are they using to take their decisions. We want them also to make sure that they do not learn the biases that are in the data by giving them rules such as your probability of deciding whether someone gets the loan or doesn't get the loan should not be affected by this list of attributes.